Dr. Manikantan Ramachandran's presentation delves into C units and measurement essentials in chemistry, including mass, volume, density, and temperature, crucial for accurate chemical calculations and lab work. The meter, defined by light's path in vacuum, is vital for measuring distances, dimensions, and derived units in scientific experiments. The kilogram, equal to the international prototype, is crucial for quantifying substances, reaction stoichiometry, and density in chemistry. A second, defined by cesium 133 transitions, is essential for measuring reaction rates and time-dependent processes in chemical kinetics. The ampere, based on force between conductors, is crucial for understanding electric current in electrochemistry and redox reactions. The Kelvin, tied to water's triple point, is essential for understanding chemical reactions, phase changes, and thermodynamic properties. The mole quantifies the amount of substance, fundamental for stoichiometry, solution concentration, and gas law calculations in chemistry. The candela, though less common in chemistry, is crucial for understanding light emission in spectroscopy and light-emitting chemical reactions. See prefixes like yocto to decide denotes smaller multiples, aiding in precise measurement of extremely small quantities in scientific calculations. See prefixes like deca to yotta denote larger multiples, crucial for measuring vast quantities in scientific and industrial applications. Mass, the amount of matter in a substance, is measured using analytical balances with the kilogram or gram, crucial for chemical reactions. Understanding the distinction between mass, constant, and weight, gravity dependent, is vital for accurate scientific measurements and calculations. Volume, the space occupied by a substance, is measured in cubic meters or liters, essential for liquid measurements in chemistry. Graduated cylinders, burettes, pipettes, and volumetric flasks are essential devices for accurately measuring and transferring liquid volumes. Density, mass per unit volume, is calculated using the formula density is equal to mass volume, with C units kg/m3. Commonly expressed in GCM3, density reveals particle packing and is used in material science, fluid dynamics, and substance identification. Temperature scales, Celsius, Fahrenheit, and Kelvin, are used to measure thermal energy, crucial for understanding chemical reactions. Temperature conversions between Celsius, Fahrenheit, and Kelvin are essential for accurate temperature measurements in scientific contexts. Handling experimental data and understanding uncertainty are crucial for accurate reporting and interpretation of chemical measurements. Significant figures indicate measurement precision and follow specific rules, crucial for accurate scientific calculations. Scientific notation, expressing numbers as A times 10n, is essential for handling extremely large or small quantities in chemistry. Precision, reproducibility, and accuracy, closeness to true value, are both crucial for reliable scientific measurements and experiments. Dimensional analysis converts units and checks equation consistency, essential for solving stoichiometry and unit conversion problems in chemistry. Measurement errors, systematic, random, and gross, affect accuracy and can be minimized through calibration and multiple measurements. Proper use of units ensures consistency, clear communication, and accurate conversions in chemical calculations and scientific discussions. Safety in measurements involves wearing protective gear, proper handling of chemicals, and responsible waste disposal to prevent accidents and environmental harm. Advanced techniques like spectroscopy, chromatography, and mass spectrometry measure properties, separate mixtures, and determine molecular structures. Digital tools like data loggers, computer interfaces, and digital analytical instruments enhance measurement accuracy, efficiency, and error correction. Calibration adjusts instruments for accurate, reliable measurements involving standard solutions, known values, and regular maintenance. Future trends in chemical measurements include nanotechnology, artificial intelligence, and real time monitoring, enabling precise, efficient, and continuous measurement innovations.